Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Spark Driver account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, to do this we need to open up a web browser and then go to Google. Now in Google type in Spark Driver or even Spark Driver sign up and look for this here from sparkdriverapp.com sign up. Click into there and you'll be taken to this page. So from here, we can go ahead and click on sign up. So to get started, see if the Spark Driver platform is available in your area. So we need to enter the zip code here. And then if the Spark Driver is available in your area, click enroll now. Provide your phone number and email address. You'll receive verification codes to confirm both. And you also need to acknowledge you're at least 18 years of age, not a Walmart or Sam's Club employee, and agreed to receive text messages. Then from there, you just got to fill out the application form, including your personal information, your name, mailing address, social security number, and also upload a valid US driver's license and a selfie for identity verifications. You'll also need to provide proof of auto insurance and vehicle registration and consent to a background check, which typically takes 1 to 7 days. Then from there, you just simply wait for the approval. So if your area has a wait list, you'll be notified once a spot becomes available, and you'll also receive an email or a text message with instructions to download the Spark Driver app.